So let's say we need to find a partial fraction decomposition for this given polynomial, which is a rational proper polynomial. So we need a rational proper function, which means the numerator should be a proper function, denominator should be a proper function or a polynomial, and the numerator degree, so the degree of numerator should be less than the degree of denominator. That's the requirement to find partial fraction decomposition. So the standard method obviously is I'll give you two methods. One which is the standard procedure, second which is a shortcut technique which works most of the time. That would be very helpful to solve problems during exam and save your time without any mistakes. It will never require a lot of calculation. So the standard technique obviously is 2x plus 11 upon x plus 6 into x plus 5, which is equal to a upon x plus 6. We just separate out the factors in denominator. Now we need to find a and b. That's our final answer. This is our partial fraction decomposition form. So need to find a and b. So the first method to find a and b would be I'll equate the numerator terms by cross multiplication. So that would be a into x plus 5 plus b into x, a into x plus 5, b into x plus 6. Denominator would be the multiplication of the denominators, and over here also it is the same. Now the denominator gets cancelled, so I can equate the numerator. So 2x plus 11 would be a x plus 5, b x plus 6. Now the first method starts from here, which is 2x plus 11 will be equal to x times a plus b plus a times 5 plus 6 times b. So I can equate the coefficient. That's the thing which we need to do in the first method. So the coefficient of x is 2, and this side it is a plus b, so a plus b should be equal to 2, and over here the coefficient of 1 is 11, which is the constant. Over here the constant is 5a plus 6b. Now there are two equations, two variables, we need to solve them. So this equation multiplied by 5 will be 5a plus 5b, which is equal to 10. The second equation I have as it is, equal to 11. When I subtract this equation from the below one, I get b is equal to 1, and I can put the value of b in the first equation. This one I get a is equal to 2 minus b, which is again a is equal to 1. This was a long procedure to find the coefficients a and b. Now let's go and take the simple route. So the second will be, I'll use the same equation which we have over here now, where we need to find a and b. So I have 2x plus 11. This is equal to a into x plus 5 plus b into x plus 6. Now I need to find a and b value. What I'm going to do now over here is I'll put or substitute x values. So this is going to be a guesswork, but the guesswork is very standard. That's the procedure to guesswork. Always use these factors to substitute values of x. So the factor for this, the root will be x is equal to minus 5. For this, x is equal to minus 6 is going to be the root. So let's first put x is equal to minus 6. If I put this in this equation, the original equation, 2 into minus 6 plus 11 is equal to a minus 6 plus 5 plus b times 0, because minus 6 plus 6 is going to be 0. So my b term goes off. My a value will directly be minus 12 plus 11 upon minus 1, which is minus 1 upon minus 1, 1. Directly found the value of a. Now I can substitute x is equal to minus 5. How can I get minus 5? It is because the factor over here gives me root is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5, the coefficient is 0. So let's put x equal to minus 5. 2 times minus 5 plus 11 is equal to a times 0, because minus 5 plus 5 is 0, plus b into minus 5 plus 6. So my b is going to be this minus 10 plus 11 upon 1, which is 1. So I can find the values of a and b much easier. Just I need to find out the roots from there. So it's a very standard and shortcut technique. Happy to go. Comment down. Thank you.